Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a free website for yourself or your clients. So you can create your website, be it portfolio, business website, or affiliate marketing website. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. So without wasting your time, let's get started. If you want to create a website, you need hosting and a domain name. So in this video, I will show you how you can buy a free domain and hosting. So go to this website called profreehost.com and register here. This is a free host. You won't need to pay any penny for this. You will get a free domain and also a free hosting. So click on register now and enter your email address and password. So after successfully creating my account and verifying my email, now you have to enter a domain name for your website. And I am going to name it amazing store.e0.com. So this domain is available. I would check it. Now click on control panel and install WordPress on your website. I am going to install WordPress. You can also add some other website builders if you like. So in this video, I will install WordPress on my website. Click on this soft clonus apps installer and install WordPress. You can also install Joomla and some other website builders. So he will install WordPress. Now here choose which version do you want to install and then select the protocol HTTP or HTTPS and then enter your admin username and password, enter your email, and then you can also select the themes from here and then click on install. So congratulations, the software has installed successfully. Now go to your website. This process may take some time, so I would check after some hours that the WordPress has been installed successfully, because whenever we install WordPress, it takes some hours to process. So as you can see, the WordPress has been installed on our website. So once you have installed WordPress on your website, go to your dashboard by using the password and username we used at the installation of our WordPress. So go to dashboard and here we have to make some changes. We have to install some plugins and a theme so our website will look perfectly fine. So go to appearance and then themes and click on add new, and I am going to search for a theme called Astra. Here it is, and I am going to install this Astra theme. The Astra theme is very popular and a beautiful theme. So after installation, click on activate. After installing the theme and activating the theme, you will see a message here. So thank you for installing Astra, and if you want to use starter templates, then you can use it. So we are going to use a starter template. Click on get started and then click on build your website now. So here you can select a page builder. I am going to choose Elementor, and now you can select templates, and there are a lot of templates. You can search them and choose whichever you like. So I am going to choose this one, the first one. I like it. And then here it will show you how it will look like on your website. As you can see, this is how it will look like on our website. So click on skip and continue. He will upload the logo later, and we will use the default colors for now. Click on continue and okay, just one last step. You have to enter your first name, your last name, and your email, and then click on submit and build my website. So here it is installing the theme and demo and some required plugins. So we will wait. So congratulations, your website is ready. Now click on view your website and you will see that the theme and demo has been installed. You can see. Okay, now you can edit it with Elementor. You can customize your theme. You can make some changes. So we will make some changes by using Elementor. You can add sections by using Elementor, and you can delete some sections if you want to. You can edit menu and these numbers, etc. So now you can make changes to your website. For example, we want to change this text, we don't like it, so I am going to write about Ahmed. I'm going to remove this section. Click on the pencil icon and click the right button and then click on delete. So this section has been removed. As you can see, now I don't want to change this text, and then we can go to button. Click on this button. Now here you can write back to me, and then you can align the button to left or right or center. I'm going to put it in center. You can change the size of the button, extra small, medium to large, uh, and extra large, etc. I'm going to use medium, and you can change the icon spacing, and you can also change some other options. Here go to style. You can change the color. You can change the family of this text. For example, I'm going to choose the Arial, and you can change the size of button. Also explore some other options. From here you can change the text color. You can change the background color of the button. You can change background type, border radius. Okay, so you can adjust a border type. For example, you want to choose solid or double border. I'm going to choose solid for this. You can see from here you can change the color of the button. I'm going to choose a beautiful color. For example, I'm going to choose this color. Now I have to change the text color because it's looking blur. Click on the text color and change it to white. So that's it. Now go to advanced. You can change the margin of the button. You can add padding. You can add motion effects. You can transform your button, and you can also explore some other options. You can also add a hover effect on your button. For example, if someone hover over your button, it would change the color. For example, I am going to select this color. If someone hover over my button, the button will change its color. For example, like you can see here what it will look like. And now if you want to change this image, click on this edit section icon and then go to style, and here as you can see you can choose another image. I think the image is looking good, so I'm not going to change it for now. And then here you can change this text. You can change the pictures. You can add more sections. You can edit this section, and you can remove the images and add new images. And now if you want to add a new section, click on this plus icon and then select the structure of your section. Do you want to add one column, two or three columns, or four columns, and or any other style? So I am going to choose this one. And now you can adjust the settings of the section. If you want it to be full width, then click on full width, and you can change the structure. You can change the style of the section, and you can also change the advanced settings. And now I am going to put a video here, for example. So click on this video icon and then drag and drop it here. And now you can change the source of the video. You can add the link of the video. So once it's done, then click on update. So once you have updated, go to your website and click on refresh, and you will see the changes you have made. Okay, as you can see, that's how you can edit with Elementor. Now if you want to customize this menu and customize your theme, and you want to customize the footer, click on this customize. So now you can make changes. You can add a header builder. For example, you don't like this header and you want to remove this logo, click on this remove item and it will be removed. And if you want to change this logo with your own logo, click on this icon and then click on change image. From here you can change the image of the logo. You can also adjust the width and size of the logo. And for example, you want to remove this button and put your own button here, you can change the text of the button to, for example, contact me. Or if you want to remove this button, just click on this remove item and it will be removed. You can paste the link here and you can adjust the settings. For example, if you want to open the link in new tab, then click on this icon. If you want to make changes to the menu, click on the menu and then go to main menu. And if you want to remove any of the menu items, for example, we have a contact me button now, so I want to remove this contact menu icon, then click on it and click on remove. And you can edit these menu items from here and you can change the name of the items. You can also add new items, etc. You can also adjust the location of the menu. And now if you want to make some changes to the footer, you can make the changes. For example, I don't like this copyright text here, so remove it. And we don't like this logo also, so we are going to remove this also. So here is the footer menu only. You can also change the design from here. Click on site identity. From here you can change the site icon. Your site icon will display in the browser here. And you can change the site title and logo settings from here. That's how you can make the changes. So after you have made your changes, click on publish and your changes would be saved. And click on refresh. You, you will see that the changes has been saved. So that's how you can make a website for free by using all these tools. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.